There are lots of things you can do to manage your privacy online, but you can't control it completely. No matter how carefully you use your privacy settings or how trustworthy your friends are, there will always be a chance that something you share online might be seen by more people than you originally planned to share it with. Before you post anything, ask yourself these questions. Is this how I want people to see me? Could someone use this to hurt me? Would I be upset if they shared it with others? What could happen if someone else shares it with others? These days, a lot of employers check social media when they're deciding whether or not to hire someone. Don't post things that are offensive or discriminatory. That includes liking posts from friends and others who share that kind of content. Don't post negative things about your current or past workplaces. Instead, focus on sharing things that you're proud of, or tell a good story about you, like running a marathon or volunteering with a charity. Your friends are also trusting you to make good decisions about the things you post. In general, you should ask before you post pictures or videos of other people, especially when you post about children. You should also make sure you limit access to these photos by using privacy settings so only family and close friends can see them. Also, before you share or like something that someone else has posted, ask these questions. How will others feel about the content I'm liking or sharing? How will my friend feel if I share their post and it gets seen by a broader audience, like their partner or employer? If you're not sure whether it's okay to share, just ask. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in this series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.